The Dead Soldier. The Dead Soldier 2. Take 1. Scene 1. Take 1.
I thought it was the Campfire Tale.
The Campfire Tale.
Okay. Sorry about that. That was so scary.
I mean, what if he returns?
We just screamed it.
Well, you
Hey,
know
wait.
the other guy that we were with.
Where's Cameron?
He's dead, remember?
He wasn't.
Don't you remember we got drunk? Now we probably can't remember anything. Drunk with soda. Now we can't remember anything.
What's that noise?
I don't know. Maybe it's Cameron's ghost. Stop. Go. Stop. It's his ghost. Whoa. What was that?
What was that clicking noise too?
I'm scared. That was so sad.